Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dhanesh here. See, this is the second video on NLP, Natural Language Processing. Here we are going to discuss about tokenization. As we discussed, NLP is equal to NLU plus NLG. NLU stands for Natural Language Processing. You are aware of that, and we discussed in the last video as well. NLG stands for Natural Language Generation. NLU is responsible for understanding the content, and NLG is responsible for generating the content. We discussed. This is the pictorial representation of NLP. We have, discussed all these aspects in the last video. While building an NLP pipeline, these are all the steps you have to follow. One is sentence segmentation, word tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, identifying stop words, dependency parsing, POS tags, named entity recognition or NER, chunking. So these are all the these steps we discussed in detail in the last video. You can go through that video. Sentence segmentation and word tokenization, it is almost similar. So in this video we are going to discuss about tokenization, whether it is sentence or a word. Mainly we are focusing on word tokenization. See, tokenization is the process of tokenizing or splitting a string text into a list of tokens. One can think of token as parts like a word is a token in a sentence and a sentence is a token in a paragraph. A word can be a token in a sentence and a sentence is a token in a paragraph. Tokenization is essentially splitting a phrase, sentence, a paragraph, or an entire text document into smaller units such as individual words or terms. Each of these smaller units are called tokens. Why tokenization is important in NLP? See, let us take the example of English language here. Think of a sentence like child is the father of a man. This is a quote from the famous poet William Wordsworth. Child is the father of a man. So before processing a natural language, we need to identify the words that constitute a string of characters. This is important because the meaning of the text could easily be interpreted by analyzing the words present in the text. So why we are doing the tokenization? The reason is the meaning of the text or a paragraph could easily be interpreted by analyzing the words present in the text. So there are different methods we can use to perform tokenization. We can use do tokenization using Python's split function, tokenization using regular expressions, tokenization using NLTK, tokenization using Spatie library, tokenization using Keras, TensorFlow and Keras, tokenization using Gensim. So these are all the different methods. See, in this video, we are focusing on NLTK, most famous Python library, Natural Language Toolkit, NLTK. And we will be, in the next video, we will be discussing TensorFlow and Keras, how we can use, TensorFlow and Keras for tokenization. That will be covered in the next video. In this video, we are going to discuss about, NLTK and how we can use NLTK on tokenization. So tokenization using NLTK. NLTK means Natural Language Toolkit is the leading platform for NLP, natural language processing using Python. NLTK provides libraries for classification, tokenization, stemming, and tagging. So how we can install NLTK? It's very simple. You can use pip install NLTK from your command prompt. So you need Python, Python latest versions, and after that you can do from the command prompt you can do a pip install NLTK, then you can get the NLTK. After that, to get the to download NLTK, after installing NLTK, you need to download the NLTK. So for that, you have to use NLTK.download in the Python shell to download NLTK. So you it's a huge library. You can use whatever you are using. That's also possible. It's a huge library for downloading, and it will take a lot of time. So if you are using some portions of it, you can download only those portions. That would be easy. Anyway, nltk.download, from the Python shell will give you the, you can, by using that command, you can download. So you will get this window. You will get this window while you run nltk.download from, Jupyter Notebook or from the Python shell. You will get this window. From here, you can select different, libraries, and you can download. So no need to download the entire thing, or if you want, you can do that as well. See, different types of tokenization. So next is what are all the different types of tokenization. There are bigrams. Bigrams are tokens of two consecutive, see, a sentence, for example, I am telling, I have a cat. Then you can, normally the tokenization will be I is one token, have is another token, a cat. So you have four tokens. So bigrams means there, tokens consist of two words. So for example, bigrams means bigrams are tokens of two consecutive written words. Trigrams mean trigrams are tokens of three consecutive written words. Ngrams means tokens of any number of consecutive written words. In the syntax, you can give four means four words it will take instead of n. Five means five words it will take, like that. So that is the different, types of tokenization. To implement, the tokenization by using NLTK, you can, this is very important, from nltk.tokenize, you can import word underscore tokenize. That's the thing. It will do all magic. Word underscore tokenize. For getting bigrams, trigrams, and ngrams, you can use from nltk.util import bigrams, trigrams, and ngrams. So that will do the, bigrams and trigrams. See, inside word underscore tokenize, you can give the string which string you want to tokenize. That string you can give it here inside word underscore tokenize. Then it will be tokenized. So that's the process. This is the implementation. So we will do one simple program inside the, this is the spider. See, I am using Anaconda. So when you can get spider from Anaconda in the, Anaconda window. If you type spider, you will get this IDE. So here we will do some programs to understand NLTK. See, first we will import NLTK. So I am importing NLTK. After that, if you type nltk.download, you will, get, you can get, I already downloaded. See, this is the command for to download NLTK. See, it's coming here. See, you can download it like this. So when you run it, it would be downloaded. You will get the window I have shown there. That window will come, and you can download it. It will take a little bit time. You can download it. So this we can use it. Then you can, from may we need, this is the thing we needed, that is from nltk dot tokenize. We have to import, I told you, the word underscore tokenize, import word underscore tokenize is the main thing we needed for this. So I am taking a simple, a string to tokenize it. As I discussed, we are, I am going to take this string. I told it's a quote from William Wordsworth. Child is the father of a man. Sorry. A child is the father of a man. This is a quote from the famous poet William Wordsworth. I am taking this string. This is the string I am having. So now what I am doing is I am trying to tokenize it. So quote underscore tokens. This is the tokens I am going to get from the court. So it is equal to what I have to do is I need to do word underscore tokenize. Inside that, I need to give that string. So I am giving the string inside that. Now I'm going to print this quote underscore tokens. So I am going to print this. Print. I need this, right? This is the one we have tokenize. This is the string, so I am going to print it. So this is what I am going to do. So when I run it, see, you can see it is splitted. So you can see it here, child is the father of a man. That sentence is splitted into words. Child is the first token, is the father of a man. So that's in that way it is tokenized. So this is the method. If you want to get the length of this token, you can use the method see print. You can use length. It's a simple function you use. Again, your this quote underscore tokens you can give, then it will give the length of that function. So if you run it, you will get it as 7. 7 is the length of that number of tokens you will get it. So this is the now I am going to discuss, we discussed about ngrams, bigrams and trigrams. For that you need to use as we discussed from nltk.util, we have to import that nltk.util. You have the see, this is the util package. So from there we need to import bigrams comma trigrams comma ngrams. So you are importing those things. We need those packages. So then only you can do this bigrams and trigrams, you can perform it. So I am taking another string for that. Another string I am defining. This is my string. This is the another code from another code I am taking. This is love is mightier than power. Love is mightier than power, comma, better than philosophy. This is the quote I am taking. This is the string I am taking. This is the string. So in this string again I need to tokenize. So before getting into bigrams and trigrams, again I need to tokenize into words. After that only you can get bigrams, trigrams or ngrams. So first of all, I need to tokenize. The same process I need to repeat. See here, I am trying to get the tokens again here. See the tokens is equal to what is the tokens here? I need to again use the word underscore tokenize, and I need to pass our string. The string is passed. Am I right? So I will get all this different tokens here. This tokens is to be passed inside our bigrams. See, next is my bigrams. See, string underscore bigrams. See, I am trying to create a bigram. So how I will create, this is very important. You need to use the list method. Then you have to use NLTK dot bigrams. See, dot bigrams. Inside that you need to pass the tokens that you got after the tokenization. Those contains the words. See, I am passing the tokens here. See, now I am passing the tokens here. So it would be like this. You understood? I passed the tokens here. Now I will print this. See, it will, let's see what will happen. I am going to print this thing, string underscore bigrams. So it would be, when I am printing it, I am going to show it here. Here we can see the output. See, I am going to run it. See, first we will, it is some error, line 110. f.c line 14 word underscore name string is not defined. See, this is string string. You have to see. Now we will run it once again. So it's coming. So I will it's 1 second. I will run it once again. You can see it clearly. See, first child is the father of a man. That is tokenized. Its length it is 7. See, after that we have the bigram. So it contains love is. See, it contains is mightier. It contains two words. It is split it into two. That is the importance of bigrams. If I want trigrams, the same thing. I can use it for trigrams. So how I will use? See again string underscore trigrams I can use trigrams. Then it will be again I have to use the list method. Inside that NLTK dot trigrams I will use trigrams. You have the trigrams. Inside that we have to pass the tokens. That is the tokens. There it is KENS. So here when you print this you will get it contains three words trigrams. This is the string underscore trigrams. See, I'm passing it here string underscore trigrams. So I am passing it here. When you pass it there you will get see, you can see it here it contains, see, three words. Love is mightier than power. It contains three words. Here it is two. Here it is tokens. If you want to create a ngram, this is the method. The same procedure. I am typing it here. String underscore ngrams. Sorry, string underscore ngrams. Then again you use the method list. Then again the same thing you can use NLTK dot ngrams, the same things. Instead of this trigrams we will use ngrams. So here you need to change ngrams. Then what is n? That you need to specify. How you will specify here? Ngrams, tokens, comma, you need to specify the value of n. If I want 5, you need to specify. If you want 6, you can specify 6 there and you can print it. This is the method of creating ngrams. So this is the process of tokenization. See, we have cleared the most important and fundamental concepts. From here you can build what you want. This is the process. The first process in natural language processing is tokenization. So we understood the tokenization, the implementation part also we discussed using NLTK. In the next video we will be discussing how we can implement tokenization using keras and TensorFlow. See, thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.